excited to bedazzle!
Hi y'all, my name is Sean and today we will be creating our own voting apparel and then later showing it to all of our friends.
I'm a little terrified, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I'm so bad at DIY crafts.
And I'm so excited to do this DIY to make my own voting apparel shirt.
I'm super excited. I'm gonna be making this super dope tie-dye shirt. I've never tie-dyed anything in my life before.
So each of us got like a different type of material to kind of create our own apparel. Your boy got none other than iron-on patches, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of patchwork. What I also got was these chains, and then I also got this bow.
For today, I have all of my paints right here.
I'm going to use a tie-dye kit, and when I'm done, I'm gonna use these press-on embroidered letters.
These are my materials. These are the paints. This is the bedazzling kit. I am so excited. This has Vivian all over it. This is essentially what I'm going for.
What I want to go for is have vote just like across the chest.
So my inspiration for this outfit is a lot of high fashion elements. It's tacky, controlled chaos, but it makes sense.
I'm so excited to bedazzle!
Let's do it.
Oh man, this is serious. I got gloves on and everything. I'm really doing this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bunch the shirt up by the sleeves in towards the middle. And then scrunch them up, and that's what I'm gonna dye.
So I want to trace the letters in black and then I'm going to fill them in with color. This is going to be my third time voting. I get like the absentee ballots where I vote by mail and then I just drop it off at a polling place. So I like voting at home and like having my pamphlet with me, so I'm reading about everything. So I'm like, okay, how do I feel about this?
I'm a first-time California voter. This year, I'm actually gonna try and vote in person. I know that we all have the option of voting by mail, but I really like the feeling of waiting in line and making sure I cast my ballot.
Now that we have these on, we're gonna patch this real quick, like this. Hold it for 10 seconds. Look how nice this looks. I encourage everyone to vote no matter how you vote. This is not my first time voting. I have voted before and I will continue to vote because I think that voting is something very special and I do think that voting allows us to have our voice be heard. So it is my way to be like, yo, this is what I think.
That gets really messy, guys. To be honest, I actually haven't ever voted before. This is gonna be my first year. It's a super important year to go out there and vote. I'm gonna be doing it by mail because COVID-19 does not have this guy feeling too comfortable waiting in the line with a bunch of crowds and stuff.
Okay, I'm really happy with how the bedazzling looks on the voter. I want to add more to the B, F, and A to really make it pop. Voting is so important to me because I am the daughter of immigrants. And my parents did so much to come to this country and to become US citizens, so voting is a family affair. I would never not exercise my right to vote.
Now I have this bow here, this super cute, pretty pink bow. Got this, so I'm gonna create a quick hole with using a hole puncher. If not, use scissors.
So I was trying to show off my shirt and I accidentally, I don't even want to do it anymore because that just happened. I ruined it, but I'm gonna fix it. Oh, and I just ruined it again. I'm gonna fix it by just adding black dots. One of the main reasons that I think it's really important to vote and the reason that I vote is because I am a daughter of 2 immigrants. So they came to this country to give me a better opportunity, and I feel like what better way than to vote and make my voice heard to better the place where my parents wanted me to be and end up and have a better life.
The instructions say to leave it overnight. That's what I'm gonna do, then take it out. I'm just really excited to get out and vote. Honestly, if you have the time and you're able to get out there and make a change, then why not? Go do it.
This is my outfit.
Ooh, cute!
Very Sean.
Oh, shoulders.
It's really like Cyndi Lauper, girls wanna have fun, pastel. I love the 80s and the 90s.
You went all out, Sean.
I love the chains.
So this is my final shirt.
Let's go. That's
It looks
awesome.
like confetti. Celebratory.
Kind of looks edgy with like the black spider.
It reminds me of like the 90s sitcoms. I'm like absolutely in love with it.
3, 2, 1, kablam.
Nice. It's so artistic.
It doesn't look like a typical tie-dye shirt, which is why I like it.
I really do like how it came out. I think like my creative decisions, even though they didn't get executed perfectly, I'm still really happy with the result.
I would wear that shirt out.
So it's a little hard to read because of lighting, but it says Black female American voter. So I really wanted my design to show who I am when I go to the polls and vote. It's fun, it's cute, but it's also making a statement.
Oh my god.
Let's
That one
go,
also
Viv.
looks so stylish. Oh my god.
Thanks for watching.
Remember to vote.
Your vote counts.